Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Government is providing free internship for students and freshers who want to learn, gain experience and build a career in the data analytics and data science domain. So this is a great opportunity for you. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I am going to show you 6 free internships that can help you learn valuable skills and improve your resume. So let's get started. The first internship is Data Science with Python internship. This is a 1 month online internship for students and freshers who want to start their journey in data science. In this internship, you will learn Python programming, data analysis, and data cleaning and data visualization and basic machine learning concepts. You will also work with popular Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, build strong problem solving skills, understand how data is used to solve real world problems, and is a great choice for beginner. The second internship is Data Science with R Pro Internships. In this internship, you will learn data science using R programming language. You will learn data analysis, statistics, data visualizations, and machine learning basics. This internship, you will understand how to work with data, find useful insight, and build skills that are useful in analytics and research related roles. Third internship is Power BI Data Analytics internship. Power BI is one of the most popular tools used by data analysts. In this internship, we will learn how to connect data, clean data, create dashboards, and build reports. We will also learn how to turn raw data into useful business insight. If you want to become a data analyst, this internship can be very helpful. Fourth internship is Business Analytics with R. This internship focuses on using data to solve business problems. You will learn businesses, analytic concepts, data analysis, reporting, forecasting, and decision making using R. This is a good option for students who want to build a career in business analytics or business intelligence. The fifth internship is Tableau Visionary Internship. Tableau is a popular data visualization tool used by many companies. In this internship, you will learn how to create dashboards, build report, analyze data, present insight in a simple and professional way. Good visualization skills can help you stand out in the both data analyst and data science roles. The sixth internship is Data Science with Python Expert Internship. This internship is for learners who already know the basics of Python and want to improve their data science skills. You will learn advanced data analysis, machine learning concept, and work on practical projects. This internship can help you gain more confidence and prepare for advanced data science opportunities. Now let's see how to apply. You don't need to search for this internship manually. I have provided the direct links for all 6 internships in the description below. I recommend applying as soon as possible so you don't miss this opportunity. This internship are a great opportunity to learn new skills and build a strong foundation in data analytics and data science domain. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more internship and job updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.